well, I'll throw them the cookies, and then we'll go. We'll go run that fence real quick. Come on, cows.
Throw them cookies, because if we start running the fence, they're just going to get stupid over there. You think?
Yeah, we can.
Well.
Yeah, there. Come on, girls. Well, come on. Come on. Well, if that didn't jostle some babies around, nothing will.
As long as we didn't have any babies down.
No. Got a tail up there, got a tail up there. That one's got a ways to go. Bumpkin's starting to... Hi, girl.
Pumpkin's pregnant?
Oh, yeah. Yep. All right, guys, you're locked down for the duration. Sorry.